Clotrimazole vs Ketoconazole cream. In today's video is an in-depth comparison between Clotrimazole and Ketoconazole creams, two of the most used antifungal creams in medicine. So make sure you watch this video till the end because through comparison I will mention the best between the two creams. Now, we will cover their uses, effectiveness, side effects, safety and which one may be better depending on your condition. First of all, what are antifungal creams? Antifungal creams are topical medications used to treat fungal infections on the skin. These include ringworm, athlete's foot, jock itch, cardiasis, and tinea vascular. So, Clotrimazole and Ketoconazole are both azole and fungals, but have slight differences in strength, absorption, and fungal coverage. With their classification, Clotrimazole is a topical imidazole and fungal, while Ketoconazole cream is also an imidazole but more potent, and it's often prescription-based. Now, let's look at their mechanism of action. Both work by inhibiting ergosterol synthesis, a key component of fungal cell membranes, leading to cell death. Clotrimazole is effective on surface level of fungal infection, while Ketoconazole is stronger and works on deeper, more stubborn fungal growth. So, with their spectrum activity, Clotrimazole it works well against dermatophytes, candida, and malassezia, while Ketoconazole it does broader and fungal activity, including resistant to fungal strains and inflammatory types like seborrheic dermatitis. Now, let's look at the common uses between Clotrimazole and Ketoconazole and their differences. They both treat ringworm, and they both also treat athlete's foot. They both treat jock itch. They both treat cardiasis. The difference comes when Ketoconazole it treats scalp infection while Clotrimazole does not, and Ketoconazole also it treats seborrheic dermatitis while Clotrimazole does not. When it comes to strength and absorption, Clotrimazole it's milder and needs twice daily application, while Ketoconazole is stronger and it often works with once daily use. When it comes to side effects comparison, Clotrimazole it has redness, itching, mild irritation, allergies but rare, while Ketoconazole it has burning, peeling or dryness, rare skin reaction, and can affect hormone levels of absorption systematically, but it's very rare with topical. When it comes to market availability, Clotrimazole over the counter in many countries, while Ketoconazole prescription in most countries, especially creams, but shampoo it may be OTC. When it comes to cost, Clotrimazole is generally cheaper because it's readily available, while Ketoconazole is slightly more expensive, especially if branded one. This is because Ketoconazole is one of the best creams used for treatment of antifungal creams. I know you're asking yourself which one is suitable for face and sensitive areas. Clotrimazole can be used on the face but with caution, while Ketoconazole can be used with prescription guidance, especially for seborrheic dermatitis. Now, which one is better? Use Clotrimazole if you have a mild, new or uncomplicated fungal infection and you want a low-cost OTC option. You need a safe and mild cream for the body. Use Ketoconazole cream if you have tried other creams and they have failed, or you have severe or inflamed fungal infections and you have scalp conditions, seborrheic dermatitis or tinea vascular. Now, to finish up, Clotrimazole is better for more common skin infection and is widely available and affordable, but Ketoconazole is stronger and used for stubborn or inflamed fungal issues and ideal when other creams fail. Both are effective if used properly. Now, if you found this comparison helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Pulse Medicine and comment below which antifungal have you used and how it worked for you.